8 best things to do in Positano, here is number 7. Spend a day on the sea touring the Amalfi Coast. Even if you have plans to do a scooter tour, I recommend still doing a boat cruise. It is the most beautiful, magical thing. So you get to see all the different Amalfi Coast towns from the water, so from a different angle, and it's once in a lifetime amazing. There are a million different Amalfi Coast boat tour options, so I have linked the 2 that I recommend in the link in my bio. One is private, one is shared. The private option is best, of course, because you can fully tailor the activities to your liking. If you want to hop out, let's say in Ferrore and spend some time there, you don't have to worry about if the rest of the people on the shared tour want to do the same thing or not. The downside is it's, of course, a lot more expensive. It's, I think, a little bit over $1,000, but that's for 12 people. The shared boat tour option is one of the most highly rated and also the most affordable things I've ever found for the Amalfi Coast. It's $85 a person, because it's actually the same company as the private one. Tour operators are Positano and Amalfi Coast experts. They'll take you to all the best places. Those are the 2 that I recommend booking.